I love Suya spice in or on almost everything. So obviously I had to make these delicious Suya chicken burgers. So I've got some ground chicken here and I'm just going to season it with a bit of salt, black pepper, some onions. I add some breadcrumbs and eggs, and the breadcrumbs and eggs are going to help to bind it. And of course you cannot forget the all important Suya spice. Now you want to mix this all together, and then you want to start to break apart your ground chicken and make it into balls like you see here. And what we're going to do with these balls is essentially make smash burgers. So you can see me smashing this as I put it down on the pan, allowing it to cook on a hot temperature until it's nice and brown, and then you flip it onto the other side. So altogether you're cooking it for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Then I prepare my sauce. I just use some ketchup, some mayo, and a little bit of extra Suya spice. And then it's time to put everything together. So you start with your toasted bread. You get the first patty on there, a bit of lettuce. The second patty on there, a bit more lettuce. Some of that sauce, some onions, and of course some extra Suya spice. And then I just top it with some tomatoes. And here is the delicious, juicy result. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.